Hello everyone, welcome back to Crafting with Slavie, where we make cards and other paper crafts. As you can probably guess, we're doing an unboxing today. So we're just gonna get right into it. I've got two packages here. One is from Simon Says Stamp, which we're gonna open first, if I can ever break into it. And the other one is gonna be a surprise for when we get to it. Okay. So let's start off with this here. This is the Simon Says Stamp and Altenew collaboration for Stamptember. I managed to get my hands on it. I just love the Altenew flowers, the Build-A-Flowers, whatever you want to call them. They're just so beautiful and I really love them. So I'm really excited for this one. Next up is, oh yes, so I don't get a lot of background stamps often, but this one is so gorgeous and I can't quite wrap my head around why this one didn't sell out with the new Simon release, to be honest. It's called Outline Ornaments and it is just phenomenal. I can totally picture doing like a background like this with the lawn fawn mice over top of it. It's just very whimsical and I love it. Okay, next up, we just have a Stamptember ad, which is over at the time of this recording. It is now October. And then this is the remainder of the limited edition Tim Holtz Christmas. Aww, that's so cute. This is my free gift with purchase, I guess. It's so sweet. Okay. Anyway, distracted. So this is the remainder of the release from last week's video, which I will link here. We got the other 3 mica stains from scrapbook.com. Ironically, I placed the orders at the same time, and this one showed up about a week later. So go scrapbook.com. For those of you who are not aware, these are the other colors of the mica stains in the Christmas limited edition package from Tim Holtz. Just move this out of the way here. So last time we played with Peppermint Stick, Tree Lot, as well as Frosted Juniper. My Peppermint Stick is doing something funny. Anyway, and then this time around we've got Winterberry, Snow Flurries, and Holly Branch. And at the end of this video, we're going to unbox this stuff and play with it. And then here is the texture set and the sparkle set. And these colors are Snowfall and Icicle and glitter and tinsel glitter and garland glitter. Just beautiful. Okay, so we'll set that off to the side here. Unless it wants to fall on the ground, that's fine too. And then I can't show you the packaging for that effect because my address is on both sides. I guess Canada Customs is a little excitable. Okay, but you'll find out what it is relatively quickly once I pull everything out. Okay. Ta-da! More lawn fawn stuff. Oh, so cute. Oh, I don't have these papers yet. Oh, this is adorable. That is just so sweet. I love the free stuff. Pardon my dog whining in the background. Everybody went outside and she's feeling left out. I purchased the small stitched rectangle stackables. These are really good for the flippy flappy, which I got in the most recent release as well. So I'm really excited to get started with these. And I have the large stitched rectangle stackables, as you well know, because they're like my most used die. And then we've got a lovely note from Ivy. Thank you, Ivy. Oh, and a cute little smile. I love these little stamps. Okay. Oh, hey, and the twine is different. This one's red and white instead of the teal and white that you normally get. Still pretty. I'm thinking they're gearing up for Christmas. What do you think? Okay, this is the free gift with purchase, which I believe has passed now because, you know, up in Canada, it takes like 3 weeks for everything to get here. So this is Say What Holiday Critters. They're just so cute. I cannot wait to play with them. You Hush, pup, you're fine. Then we've got Little Bundle. This is just me stocking up on the things that I've wanted for a long time and haven't had an opportunity to purchase. Then we've got Christmas Dreams, which I have had my eye on since last year. And it is just such a pretty set. I wasn't crazy about the new Christmas release with the kiddos this time around, but I love this one and I really wanted that Christmas tree, so I figured this would be a nice compromise for me. And then I have Loads of Fun, which of course will coordinate really well with Little Bundle here. I've seen some really cute things. And I just love these images too, like the dryer sheets and the suds, so sweet. And this one is Happy Harvest. And I know it's an older set and I wanted to get it before it's all gone. Not that I think they're going to get rid of it, but they might. You know, as new things come up, the old stuff kind of gets retired, and I don't want to risk missing this set, so I figured I would get it. Okay, so that's it for this section. Come back for when we play with these mica stains. All right, so I did some swatching the last time, and I used a black and a white cardstock. And when I checked them today, it's not the same. The peppermint stick is not as nice. I don't think I shook it enough. So we're gonna try again. Okay, now let's make sure this doesn't get everywhere. So you wanna make sure you're shaking it. You see all that mica at the bottom? Shake, shake, shake. Shake, shake. See, I think I've got a leak in the lid. I don't know. Because we just cleaned this. It's leaking all over the place. Okay. Let's see how this goes. Set that off to the side. Oh, well, there you go. That's a better spray than we got last time. There we go. That's a better spray. But this kind of bugs me. It feels like, I don't know, feels like this bit is loose. I don't know. All right, so while that's drying, we hopefully get a better result. Although it's not looking very promising. No. Let's do Holly Branch. Okay, and that's all nicely mixed. And we can actually see the mica in this. And this just looks like there's no mica left. I don't know. Weird. Anyways, so let's do this one. Again, this is Holly Branch. We'll do it first on white. Oh, that's nice. Look at that. So pretty. Okay, now let's try it on the black cardstock. Oh, that's so gratifying. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Love that. Okay, next step. We've got Winterberry. Shaking, shaking, shaking. Okay. And I don't know. All right, in this one you can see the mica really well as well. So we'll go ahead and spray it on the black first because that's what's in front of me. Oh, cute. Let's do another one. Oh, I love it. And then the white. That's pretty. That's so pretty. Okay, now for the blue, this is called Snow Flurries again. Oh, that's lovely. All right, I'll move this off to the side. Oh, that's lovely. So lovely. Okay, as this is drying. So again, this is that holly branch, Winterberry, and snow flurries here on the end. You can see how it catches the light, just so pretty. Okay, and same order here. That Winterberry is so cute, so subtle. And then this snow flurry. Oh, so pretty. Okay, that's it for me. I think I'm gonna contact somebody about the unfortunate disaster that is this peppermint stick and see if they can do anything about it and go from there. All right, you guys, thanks so much for joining me today, and you have a wonderful day. I'll see you in the next one.